All right. Welcome, YouTube. How you doing? All right. Once again, this is Clinton Sharp with Sharp Content, and today just wanted to do a quick video just to go over, basically just do a review on Capital Markets Elite Group, CMEG as they are sometimes called. I've been using this brokerage firm for a short period of time. And just wanted to just give you the pros and cons, what I think of it, my experience, and my opinion. So quickly, just a quick disclaimer and intro, and so, first of all, Capital Markets Elite Group, it's a brokerage firm out of the Cayman Islands. Pros, first of all, just jump right out here and tell you, they do not enforce the PDT rule. So the pattern day trading rule that is enforced here in the States is not enforced by Capital Markets Elite Group, which is a really good reason to consider this brokerage firm. For starters, if you are, of course, an experienced and a skilled day trader with maybe a smaller account. So no PDT rule. They have great software, Sterling Trader Pro, and a few other options as far as platforms go. They do charge a little over $100 depending on what options you go with the software. But Sterling Trader Pro is great. Hotkeys, extended hours trading. They have a simulator that uses real market data, real-time market data. And again, I mean, back to that, the number one pro, I guess, is the no PDT rule. And then I guess no PDT rule, hotkeys, extended hours trading, simulator that uses real-time market data. And a few options as far as the software goes. Now, quickly though, I just wanted to also bring up. I mentioned that it's a little over $100 for the software, the platform fees, like for Sterling Trader Pro. However, you can have that waived or refunded. They take at the end of every month. They take out the funds out of your account for the platform fee. If you spend over $600 in commissions in that month, they will refund it in the first few days of the following month. So you'll go without those funds for a few days, but of course you have to spend $600 in commission fees, which when they get to the cons, you'll see that might not be the most difficult, hardest thing to do. It's just to spend that $600, depending on how much you're going to day trade. But I imagine if you're going as far as to use a brokerage firm such as this, especially now that there's no commissions basically at all for any of the other in the States, any of the other brokerage firms. TD Ameritrade has gone commission free, Fidelity commission free, Webull, Robinhood. I mean. So if you're going to go as far as to use a brokerage firm in the Cayman Islands, offshore, brokerage firm, I imagine that you're going to be doing a lot of day trading because you're trying to avoid the PDT rule. So maybe you'll be able to rack up to $600. I know I was easily able to just in a couple of days to rack up $600 in commission fees because now we'll jump right into the cons. The commission fees are $295 per buy per sell, $590 for a round trip. No matter how many shares you purchase in the order, every order is going to cost you $2.95. Every round trip is going to cost you $5.90. Okay, so like I said, 100 trades in a month. There's your $600. 590. Okay, but okay. So and then here's some of the other downsides I would say to the Capital Markets Elite Group. CMEG is going to also be the international wire fees. If you wanted to fund your account, it's going to cost you $15 from them, and then whatever your bank charges for international wires. That's the only way to fund your account is through the international wiring. in the States. Then there's going to be the same withdrawal fee. It's going to $60 to withdraw from your account, and that's what they're charging. So, which I don't believe any of the banks, that the money is going to be coming into is going. It might cost another 15, 20 from your bank, depending on what bank you use. My bank doesn't charge for the international wire coming back this way. Then here's the other giant thing as far as commissions, withdrawal, funding fees. The other thing I noticed, and I've been noticing more and more over the last few weeks, is the spreads. TD Ameritrade, Webull, Robinhood, you might find a penny to 5 cents between the bid and the ask. I'm noticing here with Capital Markets Elite Group, with CMEG, you're looking at sometimes some very large spreads, and it varies. So I just wanted to just to mention that, because it's something that you need to pay attention to, in my opinion, if you're going to be going with this firm. It's definitely going to be the spreads. So keep an eye on the spreads. Check out the international wire fees from the bank you're using to fund. And then, of course, you want to pay attention to your commission fees. Now, I'm using Sterling Trader Pro, and this is another thing, which is actually a good thing, actually, because Sterling Trader Pro will estimate your commission fees while you're trading. And I've noticed that they estimate mine higher than they are. They're estimating them at like $3.95, $4.95 per trade, and I'm only getting charged $2.95 per trade. So there's going to be a discrepancy between the estimated commission fees that you're seeing on the screen day to day than what you're actually getting charged by CMEG. So that was a positive thing that I noticed, as I was moving along. Another thing, and I guess that's it as far as my opinion. Like I said, that's all it is. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, make your own decisions. I am not a financial advisor, teacher, trainer. I am just a guy giving you my opinion and my experience, and that's all I can do and say. Do not make a decision based on solely what I have to say. Like I said, do your own due diligence. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, I guarantee there's going to be one coming down the line that you will like. So subscribe, take a look at the videos I've made already, and just, that'd be great. I'd appreciate it. And any comments, throw them down below. Any questions, I will answer every question that is asked on my channel. So anyways, Clinton,